through the years, you know, I've taken a little bit of something from this time period, this time period, this time period, kind of made it my own and offered it to the people out here. Hi, I'm Alan Porter from Little Black River Cafe here in Grandin, Missouri. I know coming from the area that people travel for good food. We have a lot of people when they bring family in, this is where they bring them. I'd like to make things that are semi-normal, but a little bit different. To me, it's simple. I've just got a knack for putting different things together. For our blackened chicken, we take homemade blackened seasoning. While that's going, I get an artichoke, and diced onions, diced bacon bits, a little bit of cream cheese, and some heavy whipping cream. We add a little bit of salt and pepper to it, reduce that down, and then I add some chopped spinach up, and then cheddar jack cheese, and we mix that all together in a spinach artichoke dip, and then we also use it on the blackened chicken. And then I take some of our pico de gallo, and then we take that and put that on top of the chicken, and then we drizzle it with our house-made chimichurri sauce. I don't think you could describe it. Delicious. Come on down here to the Little Black River Cafe. Try some of our unique foods. Hope to see you guys soon. Thank you.